Setting up a Gaposa wind or wind and sun sensor. Before you begin, make sure that the motor and sensor are connected to power. Move the motor somewhere in between the limits to allow for observation of its movements. Using a pre-programmed transmitter, press and hold the sync button, the button on the back of the transmitter on the left, until the motor moves. Once the motor moves, the button can be released. To complete the pairing process, take the sensor and press and hold the S button. Do not release the S button until LED number 9 flashes. Once LED number 9 flashes, the sensor is programmed. Note, the motor will not move. It is important to check if the sensor is correctly programmed with the motor. To do this, press and hold the S button until the motor moves. The motor should be moving down. And press and hold the W button until the motor moves. The motor should be moving up. Once the motor and sensor are programmed, it is possible to vary the wind sensitivity level using the transmitter. Press the up, stop, and down buttons simultaneously to start the process. The following is an example where the wind was set to level 3 and is changed to level 4. Step 1. Press and hold the up, stop, and down buttons simultaneously until the motor makes a jog. Now, when you press up or down, the wind sensitivity level will change. If you press up, it will go up one level. If you press down, it will go down one level. For this example, you press the up button once to move from level 3 to level 4. The motor will respond with 4 movements. The amount of movements signifies the wind sensitivity level. Once you have reached the desired wind sensitivity level, briefly press the stop button. The motor will respond with as many movements as the selected wind sensitivity level. In this case, 4 movements. Then resume normal operation. You can adjust the sun sensitivity level according to your preference. To do this, briefly press the S button on the sensor until you get to the desired setting according to the below table. The wind sensitivity needs to be adjusted from the remote. Both the wind and sun sensitivity tables are found below. Take a minute to read through them. The sensor contains the ability to enter into test mode. The test mode is used to allow observation of the operation of the sensor by shortening the reaction times. To activate test mode, briefly press the W button 5 times. The motor will make a short jog. To disable the test mode, briefly press the W button again 5 times. The motor will make a long jog. If you do not exit test mode by pressing the W button 5 times, the sensor will automatically exit after 10 minutes.